Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! Ayan, no? Medyo malinis-linis na yung ating shop. Ayan, medyo malinis na siya. Walang laman, no? Walang laman. Ayan, guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon is... Ayan, naka-ready na tayo for 2026. Naka-ready na tayo. Ngayon is January 1, 2026. Ang gagawin natin is mag-automate tayo ng ating business online ng 30 days. 30 days muna, tapos next another 30 days, as another 30 days. Ngayon, i-automate natin yung ating chatbot, yung ating booking appointment. Yan, chatbot, booking appointment, tsaka yung ating post. Ang post natin sa ordinary post lang. Parang, basta may post ka lang na mga quotes, ganyan. Tapos, yung story kasi, tsaka yung reels, pwede mo naman din siyang i-automate kung kaya mong gawin kasi mahirap gumawa ng content. Pero kung makakagawa ka na ng pondo ng content mo, pwede ka nang mag-automate din. Kaya, yun muna yung gagawin natin kasi mahirap, wala pa tayong content about dun sa pang-reels natin tsaka sa story. Kaya yun guys, welcome dito sa aking channel, Tope David channel from Pinoy Digital Marketer. Kaya yun guys, let's go! Hello, ayan. Happy New Year and welcome to 2026 Automation by Pinoy Digital Marketer. My name is Christopher David. You can call me Tope David. Ang ganda ng intro. Ngayon, nakikita niyo itong ating website. Ito yung luma nating website is pinoydigitalmarketer.com. Wala pa tayong plano for today's video pero hingi tayo ng tulong kay ChatGPT. Okay, punta tayo kay ChatGPT. Ayan, okay. Wait lang natin, medyo mabagal dahil gumagamit tayo ng recording. Tanggalin ko muna yung aking video dito sa screen. Ay, meron naman. Ito, i-edit ko naman. Okay. Ngayon, wala pa tayong business. Halimbawa, wala pa tayong business, wala pa tayong kahit ano na pwede nating i-alok online as a freelancer. Gusto mo magkaroon ng pera online. Pera talaga, no? Gusto mong kumita online. O sige, ganito. Gusto mong mag-excel. Gusto mong tumaas yung knowledge mo online. Ako, as Pinoy Digital Marketer, gumawa ako ng sarili kong brand na Pinoy Digital Marketer. Ayan. Tapos, niregister ko siya sa Google as yung sa map, Google Business, and syempre, nag-register ako ng DTI at BIR. Dahil may mga company na naghahanap ng legit na company or resibo, dahil yung kanilang, halimbawa, yung isang real estate company naghahanap ng media buyer or freelancer o tagagawa ng automation, nangihingi sila doon sa kanilang kinukuhaan na gagawa ng resibo para doon sa kanilang company kasi nangihingi ng resibo yan. Ngayon, okay, bilis na natin. Okay, punta tayo ngayon dito ang next natin ngayon is sa ChatGPT. Ayan, pumasok na siya. Ang una natin gawin is dito kay panel planner. Okay, tayo dito kay panel planner. Panel planner, Felix the Architect. Design simple effective funnel strategies for the Philippine market. Ayan, kay ano to? Kasi nag-enroll ako kay Coach Midge. Ayan, kaya meron akong ganito. Kung gusto nyo rin, mag-enroll din kayo. Or, i-message mo lang ako kung gusto mo magkaroon ng sarili. Okay, start tayo. Ayun pala, ang bala ko ngayon is, meron kasi akong lumang website, ito. Gusto ko na siyang palitan. Okay, ang gusto ko na siyang palitan kasi is 2026 na. Tsaka luma na 'to, updated, puro AI pa yung video na ginamit ko dito. Kaya punta tayo sa ChatGPT. Ayan, ang sabi niya dito, okay, let's plan your funnel. What is your product or services? Product and services ko ay digital marketing. Product, what is your product or services? Digital marketing. Digital marketing. Ay, yan, pakot naman text. Digital marketing. What is your product and services? Okay, ang ino-offer ko is mga services, product. Ang product ko is digital product like chatbot, automation, and sales funnel, and website. Yan. Digital product like chatbot automation and sales funnel, website, also Facebook ads course, tutorial, video tutorial na lang. Services na lang. Services, ayan, chatbot, kasi sales funnel, website, andyan na rin yung email, automation, services, and AI, automation, and e-commerce na lang. E-commerce. Diba? Lagay mo na lahat as digital marketer. Hindi natin sagot. Got you, offer. Di ba? Ang galing, di ba? Okay, but right. It's a bundle of many services. To design a clear funnel, we need to one main offer first. Next question, and what's the primary service you want to sell first? Example, you can answer in your own word. Chatbot automation, sales funnel building, website development, Facebook Ads Manager, AI automation, e-commerce setup marketing. Para sa akin is, kasi pinapipili lang ako ng isa eh. Siguro dito muna tayo sa chatbot automation or sales funnel. Sales funnel building. Marami naghahanap ng sales funnel building. Website development. Sales na lang tayo. Sales funnel building na lang tayo. Kasi nandun na siya lahat eh. Who's your target audience? Ayan. Please specific, for example, real estate agent, online seller, local businesses, beginner, startup, establish. Ito muna tayo, yung establish. Kasi para sa mga nag-start pa lang. Okay. Thanks. So, diba? To be broad, high converting your funnel, clarity, high trusted, narrow, okay. Which one group do you want to prioritize first? Sa startup muna tayo, no funnel. Dito tayo sa no funnel and kasi yan talaga yung target ko naman palagi. Yung beginner, siya kayo nag-startup pa lang. Kasi nakahandle na ako ng tawag dito, yung established na, medyo magulo na kasi nga marami silang ginamit na ibang process or mga apps na hindi ko ginagamit. What's your main goal for this funnel? Pick the most important one. Get book, sell packages, generate leads first. Educate first. Ang kailangan ko munang gawin is educate first. Educate first muna tayo. Perfect. Education. First funnel work very well for beginner and early startup. What is the price point of your paid? Ito, sinasabihan ka na rin yan ng price. Diba? Exact price. Range. Range na lang tayo. Range. Not decided yet. Range. Okay. Tapos, and sabi niya, where will your traffic come from? Facebook, organic traffic, or both na lang tayo, organic and
Organic and ano tayo? Paid. Kasi mag-ads din tayo. Got it? Both organic. Which platform will you mainly use to attract people? Yung pasensya na kayo, English Carabao talaga ako. You can choose one main platform. We can add other later. Okay. Ang platform muna natin na gagamitin is, syempre, is ang Facebook. Facebook muna tayo mag-focus. Okay, perfect. Facebook is ideal for Philippine market. Of course, Philippines tayo. Next question, last one for phase 1. Do you already have any existing asset? No. Tell me you can answer in one line. Facebook or FBS, email, emojis, okay. FBS, ito. Ayan. Website, yes. Copy. Nilagay ko na lang dito, website, no. Kasi nga, mapalitan natin yung ating website. Okay. Great. Thanks. Okay. Panel report. Okay. Offer, sales, panel building, audience, okay, goal, allocation, price, 10 to 30K, traffic, Facebook, paid organic. Panel 1, type, pre-training webinar, messenger flow, panel building offer. Why this is work in PH? Beginners need allocation before buying. Ayan, chat-based. Okay, step 2. Step 2 is Facebook content and ads. Step 1 tayo, panel flow, organic, tips, mistake, mini case studies. Okay. Simple ads promoting pre-training. Okay. Step 2, pre-training registration, landing page, o yan. Okay, collect email and messenger permission. Okay. Number 3, pre-training, live or recorded. Teach basic of funnels. Show common beginner's mistake. So pitch your service near the end. Step 4, messenger follow-up. Reminders, reply link, invitation to avail funnel services. Okay. Step 5, offer a payment. Funnel package explained in chat, payment via GCash bank transfer, onboarding after payment. Landing page, chat flow, structure. Option A, simple landing page recommended. Use Canva, free domain. Section and one headline, how beginners can build their first funnel. Di ba ginawa ka na rin dito ni ChatGPT, no? Ayan na, oh. Tapos, subheadline mo ito. What they learned. 3 to 5 bullets. What the sales funnel really is. Simple funnel instruction that works in PH. Common beginner mistake. Who this is for? Beginners starting online. Start up already. Ayan. CTA. Register pre-training. Footer, basic info, and Facebook page link. Okay. Meron tayong option B. Ayan, common panel. Okay. Follow up. Option B yan. Ito sa pre-training outline. Do you help and why funnel matters? Okay. Tapos, what a sales funnel is. Simple funnel example. B to chat and sales. So, yan yung gagawin natin. Tapos, common mistake, 10. Random posting, no follow-up, no clear offer. So, pitch 10 minutes. If you want this build for you. If you want this build for you. Pitch yan. Explain your panel services package. Message me panel to get started. Okay, follow-up, plan, local, day 1. O, di ba meron na rin siya dito? Wait mo lang. Sige, target. Sige, bilisan na lang natin. Medyo tumatagal na tayo. Right? If you want to write a script. Ayan, no? pinapagawa na rin tayo dito ng script. Write your pre-training script. Create a messenger chat script. Create your panel package. Help. Just tell me what to build next. Okay. Ngayon, ang gawin natin muna is wala muna tayong gagawin. Okay na muna yan. Ang gagawin natin is i-copy natin ito lahat. Okay. Copy. Tapos ilalagay ko rin ito doon sa ating sa ating training para makita nyo yung mga prompt. Copy-paste lang natin. Kayo guys. Okay, wait lang natin. Oh, bakit nakaputi? Wait muna natin natin. Dapat may shift. Shift control tapos B. Okay. Copy muna natin yan. Next natin is anong title nito is yung funnel. Funnel planner. Okay. Panel planner to for 2026. Okay, dyan ka muna. Balik tayo dito. Ngayon, ang gawin natin ngayon dito is yung script naman. Nakopya ko na siya, di ba? Punta tayo ngayon sa write me a training script. Copy. Paste. Tapos ito yung later na i-copy natin. Pagsabayin ko na, no? Copy. Tapos lagay ko dito is recorded. Recorded, ano to? Recorded training. Pwede naman mag-live, pero naka-limit reach na daw ako. Okay. Yan na lang yung next natin. Naka-limit reach na daw tayo. Maghintay muna tayo ng mga ilang oras. Sige, habang nakalimit pa tayo, punta na tayo ngayon dito sa ating funnel. Hindi ako ayun. Naka 20 minutes na tayo ng ating video. Bali, mag-break muna tayo. And then, i-apply na natin siya dito sa ating video. Sa ating gagawing website. Sales panel tsaka website gagawin natin parehas. Okay? Break muna tayo and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!